Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how exactly you can apply and take the nursing jurisprudence exam. This exam is an exam you take through the Texas Board of Nursing portal, and it is one of the key elements or key requirements or key steps if you're applying for RN licensure or LPN, LVN licensure in Texas, especially for foreign trained nurses or new graduates. In this video, I intend to walk you through the application process through the Texas Board portal, and I'll briefly explain what the exam is about and how best you can prepare for this exam. So let's head straight into it. First of all, let's talk about what the nursing jurisprudence exam is all about. The nursing jurisprudence exam is a test required for nurses or new graduates, foreign trained nurses, and this test or this exam tests your understanding of the nursing laws in Texas, the rules, the ethical practice. Here is what to expect. It's basically simple. It's an open book exam. You are required to answer about 50 multiple choice questions. There is no time limit, and you need about 75% score to pass. If you don't pass it the first time, don't worry, you can always retake this exam. So, having gotten the background of this, Texas Board of Nursing provides free study resources that you can find on their website. You can also type it online, Nursing Jurisprudence PDF, and you will find free copies. So the first thing is log into your Texas Board of Nursing portal. I'm going to screen record so that it makes a lot of sense. There are two ways for you to write this exam. Log into your Texas Board of Nursing portal using your username and your password. For you to log in, that means you've paid the $100 and you've started your application with Texas Board of Nursing. So this will be on your dashboard as a requirement for you to take, or we see it as an application checklist. So look for the section that says Nursing Jurisprudence Exam or take the NJE. Once you click on this, it's going to open in another tab, like another desktop, and you need to apply for this exam for you to be able to take the exam. So I'm going to show you a quick process how you can do this rightly and apply for your nursing jurisprudence exam. Because my portal is already showing my license, I'm gonna try and either create a new account and show you, but that wouldn't let me because I'm not going to pay the $100. So I'm going to try and show you the second method by searching for nursing jurisprudence exam and show you how you can basically apply. This is the second application method for nursing jurisprudence exam. Head on to your browser and type nursing jurisprudence exam. If you've already paid, log into your Texas Board portal and directly click from your checklist nursing jurisprudence, and it will open a different tab. But for me, I am going to show you from the Texas Board of Nursing application Google search. So I'm opening this tab because it's showing me nursing jurisprudence exam from Texas. So these are the steps of completion. You have to click on the button to register. So once you click on the button to register, agree on the terms of service, input your first name, your last name, and your email address. Re-enter your email address and your phone number. If your phone number is not a US phone number, please enter the country code. This makes it easily identifiable. Once you complete this, click on Continue Registration tab. This will locate your account and open up another page for you to complete your application process. Affirm that you have read the above registration attestation and click on Continue Registration again. It will bring out information. What is your reason for application for foreign trained nurses? You're going to click on RN graduates. RN graduates and not RN endorsements. Endorsements is if you have a US license already and you want to move to Texas. So we are using RN graduates. Enter your date of birth. Bear in mind that US writes the date of birth with the month first, the day, and then the year. Next is for you to complete your identity validation. What is the name of your favorite pet and all those information there. Please have these answers written somewhere else in case you need to validate it ever again. Next is to move on to the demographics. What is your highest level of education? There are so many options for highest level of education. For this option, we're using BSc Nursing, which is the Baccalaureate in Nursing. Texas County is simply, in Texas, there are so many counties. So you want to choose which county you want to reside. I'm going to search for Dallas. You can choose another option as order. If you do not have any county in mind, it's also okay for you to type order. And then primary place of employment. This is simply where you are currently working. The two that looks applicable, I would choose inpatient hospital. Once you finish this, click on continue application and it will bring you to a page to register. Once you finish your application registration, it will take you back to your account to write the exam. So once you finish and pass the exams, your results will automatically be updated in the portal. If you don't see it right away, give it some time and it will be updated. You don't need to upload or send anything to Texas Board. Once you take the exam, they know that you've taken that exam and it will reflect in your portal. And that's it, guys. If this video was of great help to you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more nursing related content. And if you're stuck in your application and you have any questions, please drop a comment in the comment section below and I will respond to you as soon as I can. Again, thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.